children, this is your new computer science teacher. My name is Abrar. So today onwards, I am going to engage grade 5th to grade 8 classes. Okay, so shall we start the basic information regarding computer? Let's come and join.
Welcome to Computer Lab, my dear children. Okay, this is your KGI's Computer Lab. Maybe you all are waiting to work in this KGI's Computer Lab, isn't it? Okay, so the basic knowledge about computer. So today we are going to learn about a basic information regarding computer. Okay, so maybe you people are watching these pictures, is it? System, fan, floppy, hard drive, power supply, motherboard. Okay, so regarding this only we have the session now. Okay, so the first thing, introduction to a computer, then types of computer, then data, next working of computer, computer organization, parts of a computer, hardware and software. So first of all, introduction. So in 19th century, the Charles Babbage invented computer. And why the computer got computer name? Why? Because from the Greek word, the compute came, because the compute mean is calculation, because computer is very fast in the calculations. So from the Greek word he gave compute name, so it came computer. Okay, and also he calls as computer's father. So father of computer is Charles Babbage. Then the next is types of computer. We have here two types. One is desktop computer, one is laptop computer. So in the desktop computer we have four parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. And in the laptop we have a bunch, like we have a monitor, we have keyboard, we have CPU, we have a mouse, means touchpad, everything in the laptop only. So these are the types of computer. Then what is a data? So data means we have two types here also. One is text data, which is having alphabets A to Z in capitals and small, then numbers, then special characters, means special keys. Then one more is graphic data, means pictures or videos. So these are nothing but the data. Then the next is working of a computer. How computer will work or laptop will work? So it will work through the input. So it will receive the data from the keyboard. So keyboard, mouse or microphones, these will help to computer to get the data. So it will come to, first of all, to memory unit. So it will go through the storage unit, again it will come to memory unit, then it will go through arithmetic logical unit. So here the arithmetic logical unit will check out, then it will send it to control unit, then at the last it will come out from the monitor, printer, speaker as a output. Okay, even we can store in the hard disk or pen drives or CD and DVDs also. Then the next is computer organization. So in the computer organization we have three types. First one is hardware. In hardware we have input devices, output devices, then system unit. And what is hardware here? Hardware we can touch. Okay, hardware we can feel. Then hardware we can see. But what is hardware? The hardware is nothing but the parts of a computer. Then software. In software also we have again two types: system software, application software. So in system software, the Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, so these all things are system software. Even your mobile phones, Android OS, Mac OS, Apple phones, Mac OS. So these all things are system software. Then what are the application software? The application softwares are nothing but MS Office, means MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, or your PUBG game. So these all things are nothing but application softwares only. Then what is a software? Software is a set of instruction, whatever given by the human beings to a computer. Then what is liveware? The liveware is nothing but the user or the operator who will work with the computers. Those are nothing but livewares. Then the next is input devices. So in the input devices, first of all, we'll look into keyboard. Why? Because in the keyboard, we'll have 104 keys. In the standard keyboard, we will have 104 keys. So those are typewriter keys, Windows keys, application keys, function keys, numeric keypad, cursor control keys, enter keys, and other keys, means the special keys. Then the next is mouse. As you people also know, in the mouse we have two keys. One is left key, another one is right key, then scroll button. Then the next is your favorite kit, joystick, to play the game. So this is also nothing but input device only. Then the touch screen. Whatever the gadgets you people are using nowadays, almost you all are using the touch pads only, isn't it? So the touch screen devices also nothing but input devices. Why? Because it will receive the data from you people only. Then the next is scanner. So in the scanner we have two types. One is flatbed scanner, another one is handy scanner. For the small font size we are using handy scanner. For the Xerox and all we are using flatbed scanner. Then the next is optical character recognition, nothing but OCR. So this input device is helpful for the blind persons, those who can't see. Okay. Then the next is optical mark reader, nothing but OMR. As you people heard OMR sheet, so this OMR sheet will be read by this optical mark reader. If you did any mistake, so this optical mark reader will find out. Then the next is barcode reader. Maybe you all saw this barcode reader in more shop and all, because in the more almost they are using the barcodes only. So on the barcode they will use this barcode reader and they will get the information. What are the quantity, what is the prices and all. Then the next is output devices. So in the output device, first of all we'll see to monitor, LCD and the LED. So what are the difference this monitor, LCD and LED? So the monitor need huge space, but LCD and LED need very small space. Why? Because it's a flat devices. Then the next is printers. DMP means dot matrix printers. Okay, so dot matrix printer will useful in business for the billing purpose. Then the next is inkjet printer. So inkjet printer will useful for the text prints or picture prints also. Nowadays you people are using these all things. Then the next is offset printers or plotters. So this output device is useful to take a prints of flex boards. Those are using in the fairs or in any events for the marriage purpose or any functions. Then the next is system unit. In system unit we have motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disk drive, CD or DVD ROM, floppy disk drive, expansion cards. So these all things are stored in system unit. Then the next is software in system software. So in system software we will have operating systems, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, Apple, Mac. So these all things are nothing but system softwares. Okay, so nowadays we are using MS Windows and Apple Mac only, not Unix and Linux. Then the next is application software. As you people know, the application softwares are MS Office, music players, Google Chrome, games, graphic software, then accounting softwares. So these all things are application softwares. Okay dear kids, this is the information regarding computer. Okay, so these are the basic information. If you have any doubts or any clarification, you can contact me. Even you can watch this video repeatedly. Okay, until the next episode, take care. Bye bye.